Hey everybody, this is Christian from the Charles Mills Writing Center. Today we're going to be talking about prepositions. So I'm going to share my screen with you and we'll get started. Okay, cool. So prepositions, according to Webster's Ninth Collegiate Dictionary, is a linguistic form that combines with a noun, pronoun, or noun equivalent to form a phrase that typically has an adverbial, adjectival, or substantival relation to some other word. So we're going to kind of break this down into the most important parts. And basically, it's a word that combines with a noun, pronoun, or noun equivalent, and it expresses relation. This is kind of the key word right here, relation. That's at its core what a preposition is expressing. It's expressing relation. So let's go and look at some examples of prepositions, and then we'll look at some examples of prepositions in sentences. So our examples are in, on, under, through, with, from, to, at, of, and for. And these are by no means a comprehensive list, but just some of the most common ones that you'll see. And also, I chose ones that are just one word, but you'll see a lot of times in prepositions will be like kind of mixed together to make new prepositions. But I went with some of some of the most simple prepositions for our examples. And now the example sentences. So our first one, the book is in the library. So we have our two nouns in yellow. We have our verb in green, which comes from the verb to be. And we have our preposition in orange. And well, it's actually funny enough, it's almost Halloween. So I wasn't intending on this, but I was just running out of colors to make the different parts of speech and decided on orange. But hey, we're accidentally being festive, so that's good. we'll pretend that was intentional. So yeah, our preposition is in. Now, if we go back to the definition, it combines with a noun, pronoun, or noun equivalent. And in this case, our noun equivalent is basically a noun phrase. It's a couple words that contain a noun within it. The library. So in, our preposition combines with this phrase, the library. Now, in the library becomes our prepositional phrase, a phrase that contains a preposition. And that basically is expressing relation to the book and vice versa. So the book is in the library, right? So that now we know the relation between the book and the library. It's the book is in the library. That's the relation. Now, that's basically what prepositions are. That's the main purpose. So let's look at our next example. The plate is on the table. Same kind of idea here. On is our preposition. The table is our noun phrase that is basically combining with our preposition. The plate is on the table. So on the table becomes our prepositional phrase that tells us information about the plate. That's how the plate relates to the table. The plate is on the table. And I'm not going to go into this much detail with the last two. I'll just read them out. I am with my friends. The food is from a restaurant, right? So we have relation. We know that I, in relation to my friends, I'm with them, and the food is from the restaurant, right? So that's prepositions, basic information about prepositions. And yeah, I think that's all we have for today. Stay tuned for our next video. We'll be talking about conjunctions and interjections. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.